It's a volcano!
Whoa!
Watch what happens when I add my soap bubble mixture. Soap bubbles are gonna erupt out of it. 3, 2, 1. Soapy lava!
So cool!
In a real volcano, the soap bubbles are actually hot lava and... Oh no! What happened to my volcano? This is not good. I repeat, this is not good.
I think the wet soap made the cardboard so soft and soggy, it collapsed. I'm sorry, Lucas.
I worked so hard. And without my volcano, I can't be in the science fair.
Hold on now. Things didn't go as planned, but that's okay. Hey, that's science. You just take what you learned from this volcano and try again.
Right. And we can lend a paw and help you build a new one so it's done in time for the science fair.
That'd be awesome! Thank you, pups.
And wouldn't it be fun if we made the volcano really big?
Yes! The bigger the volcano, the bigger the soapy bubble eruption.
We're gonna need more room, so we'll build it down here and then move it up there.
The roof!
Right near Wingsy. Since we don't have time to head back to the Barkyard for supplies, I'll call Auntie Crane to bring the Barkyard Zoomer.
Three, two, one, let's go, go, go!
The Barkyard Zoomer!
Zoom, zoom, zoom!
The Barkyard Zoomer!
Make some room!
It's extraction time! Lucas, since you're the expert volcano builder, you get to be in charge.
Wow!
Hooray!
Volcano go, go, Lucas! Okay, let's bow wow build a volcano construction eruption. Let's start by cutting some wood.
These steel beams are gonna make a super strong volcano. Auntie Crane, please bring the bags of concrete over there.
The vent for the volcano is almost done.
Wow, you pups really know how to build. Okay, the vent for the soap bubbles to shoot up goes on top.
Big vent at the top for soap bubbles. Got it. Now I'll weld it all together.
Wood planks coming in. Okay, let's make the outside of the volcano nice and strong so the bubbles won't make it soggy.
Soggy? Not with my quick-drying concrete. Ready, aim, concrete!
Okay, let's finish the base.
One extra strong base almost done.
You know I don't like dirt, but when it's around a volcano, it looks cool. This dirt is a great idea, Wheeler.
Lucas, check it out. When you start the volcano, we can see how long it takes for it to erupt with this gauge. First, it'll be down here like rise to here like whoosh. And then when it hits the top, the volcano will erupt bubbles. Splosh!
Couldn't have explained it better myself.
Lucas, I know something that'll turn your volcano into a volcano. Whoa! We can paint it my favorite color, purple Razzle Blast.
Let's do it.
Ready, aim, purple Razzle Blast.
Hi, Wingsy!
All that's left is to lift it to the top of the Dino Museum. You ready, Auntie Crane?
Special delivery! One volcano going up, up, up! Watch out, Wingsy!
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s official Rubble YouTube channel and watch Rubble and Crew on Nickelodeon and everywhere you find Nick Jr.